Raw Impact Africa TV, and I'm very excited having you on this platform every week, every month, and every day. Right, today I'm not very in a good mood because I got a very devastating news. Chinese authorities seized over 7,200 human penises on a cargo ship from Nigeria. Hello? Do you know what that is? 7,200 penises on a cargo ship from Nigeria to China. China again. Is it that we are not really tired with the COVID that we are suffering now, and that they are transporting penises to China? Technically, which means that you've just rendered 7,200 men without apparatus. No. It is actually not. Well, this is not the end of the news. Let me just give you more part of the news. He said Chinese customs officers have made the world's biggest seizure of human organs in history this morning. A total of 7,221 penises of African origin hidden in a refrigerated freight container. As in, then carry 7,221 apparatus, male own, put inside fridge. They can't go China. Hello, what are they going to do with male apparatus in China again? Acting on information from an anonymous informer, Chinese officers found the organs in 36 boxes labeled as plantains begri. Oh Jesus, that's it. Plantains begri is what they used to label the boxes of male apparatus from Nigeria. I can just imagine now that my brother Francis's apparatus is in that container. I can just imagine now that my beloved brother Ben Yaba, his apparatus is in that container. In fact, I think Ben doesn't have a point because Ben does not really need his own. Please, Chinese people, if you need apparatus, come and collect apparatus from Ben and from Francis. They do not need the apparatus. But other people, like Two-Face, you should not touch his apparatus. If you touch Two-Face's apparatus, there will be war in Afghanistan. Another person you should touch his apparatus is my friend Virgin Ahmed. He does not need his apparatus. You can go and collect his apparatus to China. But for all these other people then, please do not, I repeat, do not touch their apparatus. And I heard that they label those apparatus as cooking bananas inside a refrigerated container on a ship harbored in a Shanghai port. This one is really Toriwowo. Well, that's not the end of the news. Chinese General Assembly Administration of Customs spokesman Li Wu says an increasingly large number of armed groups in Africa use organ trafficking to finance themselves, making such seizures predictable. These organs are common commodities now, but they were certainly harvested in unsanitary conditions or contaminated at the point of the collection. So we can't let them out on the Chinese market. Can you just imagine? Their reason of not wanting to even collect this apparatus for eating is because they do not know how they were being harvested. Is apparatus now cocoyam? Is apparatus now corn that you need to harvest it in a very oh my God, I'm actually not in a very good mood this morning. How can you say that it was not harvested in a contaminated, in a very unhygienic way? That is why you don't want to consume a human being's apparatus. Anyway, Mr. Lee says the organs were shipped from Lagos in Nigeria, but may have only transited through that country and could possibly originate from elsewhere in Africa. Meaning, it's possible that as they were coming, they passed through Sudan, they collected like 10 apparatus. Entered Cameroon, collected like 15 apparatus. Enter my village, Ofuto, collect apparatus. Fidel Isayaba, please, when you watch this video, check your apparatus, if your apparatus is still okay. They now entered Ofuto, collected some apparatus. Entered my white village in Yala, collected some apparatus. And now we're now coming, and coming, and coming. Then the apparatus now complete 7,221. Please, all men watching this video, it's possible your wife might have harvested the apparatus and you did not even know. confirm your apparatus now and go below that description button and send me to know if your apparatus is still functional or is gone. Mr. Victor Edegbai, I know you're in Uyo, Grandpa. Please confirm if your apparatus is still in order, because they have started harvesting male apparatus and sending to China. We know that penises from Libya and Sudan fetch a higher price than those from other African zones, but can't presume of their origin before the end of the investigation. So African countries, there are actually some places where the apparatus is actually in high demand than other African countries. Oh my God. Now I begin to wonder, my friend Moncals, where do you come from? Because, well, let me not come and talk about your apparatus here anywhere, but I know that if your apparatus is to go to the market, it will make a whole lot of money. And there I talk I'm in. The Chinese General Administration of Customs says similar seizures may become more common over the next few years as armed groups in Africa turn to organ trafficking to finance their military operations. So, invariably, what you're saying is that since the terrorist groups do no more have money, what they now do is they now turn and collect apparatus and sell in exchange for arms and ammunition. Please, see, this is my apparatus. Anybody, any group of body of people that in any way begin to imagine, think that somehow my apparatus is needed for them to finance Boko Haram, Holy Ghost fire. I'm going to do night video for all of you. Human penises were seized in 9 cases since 2002. So not be today this matter start, but today's fine represents more than 4 times the amount seized by customs officers over the past 18 years. So meaning, when this trade has actually started way back 2002, they harvest apparatus and take away to China. The question now is that, what do they do with all these apparatus that they take to China? I think, in fact, it's even better safe we stop eating all these things, because something like hot dog now, anytime I see hot dog, it used to remind me of apparatus. Hot dog looks like apparatus. So I think we might stop eating a hot dog. I can't just imagine or sit down and begin to think that the apparatus that is in my hand, the hot dog I'm eating in my hand, belongs to Ben Ayaba. Does not make sense. So I think we need to stop eating hot dog. From this house, Mrs. Ayaba, anywhere you did for this house, I do not want to see hot dog in this house again, because hot dog reminds me of apparatus. Now, describing the organ's value as high as illegal drugs, he said that specimens of this size usually fetch around $160,000 US each on the black market, meaning apparatus now they sell them for black market, and its total value was more than 1.15 billion US dollars. Oh my God. The ship's crew, 4 Nigerians, 2 Malians, and 2 Cameroonians are being detained for interrogation, but no charges have yet been filed against them. Now, brother, this talk is very heartbreaking. The ship's crew, 4 Nigerians, 2 Malians, and 2 Cameroonians are being detained for interrogation, but no charges have yet been filed against them. As in, these are people, can you imagine, 4 Nigerians, oh my God, oh Nigeria, my Nigeria, 4 Nigerians were involved in this illicit business. Please, there are a lot of other things we can do. Let us stop harvesting apparatus for sale. Anyway, this is how far I can go on Raw Impact Africa today. If you're just joining us, please do not wait for us to come and beg you, but please, we are begging you, subscribe to our channel, share it, and if there's any story you want us to talk about, please do not hesitate to drop it on the description button section, and we will be definitely visit that video, all for your viewing pleasure. My name once again remains Emmanuel Ayaba, signing out until next time. By the way, please, guys, is your apparatus still in order? Check it though. If it be there but you know they work, it might have been sold. Bye bye.